Hey, folks, I made another video and it's trash. So it's supposed to be real quick. I want to look at Friday's price action. Okay. I need help back testing this little deal here. So Friday, we're going up and we're supposed to be marking out breakers as we go. We make a new high, we mark the last down close candle. And then we make a new high there. We mark the last down close candle, and we wait for a fair value gap to close below that last down close candle. So we're working our way up. We're working our way up. New high there, last down close, no fair value gap. Finally, we get up to this one right here, and we have a fair value gap. Okay, let's just make it real big where we can see it. We have a fair value gap that validates that breaker. The fair value gap runs from the bottom of that green candle to the top of this red candle. And so we're validated, and candle bodies are closing below the breaker. But then we violate it and we make a higher high. I want to back test how many times does this happen that we validate the breaker with a fair value gap and then it fails. Because I don't think it's very often. And you can see once we moved up, made a new high, we validated this breaker with candle bodies closing below. We moved away with a fair value gap. Entry would be here. And then we never did get back up into it. So this is what I'm really concerned about. Are we failing 50% of the time? Are we only failing 20% of the time? How often? When we finally make a high and we start to validate this breaker, how often are we failing? In order to validate, we have to close, candle bodies have to close below, and there has to be a fair value gap in the direction of the breaker. If we're going up, it's the last down close. If we're going down, it's the last up close. Okay, so this is the last up close over here on the way up right here. And so we validate it and we don't even come close to coming back. So that would be our bullish example, the last up close. So the back test, we have to make sure there is a fair value gap. We validate it. Candle bodies are closing above, and there's a fair value gap. It's okay if it comes back down. What we're looking at is that we can, once we're validated, can we get at least 20 points on a liquidity run? If we got a fill here, can we get at least 20 points on a liquidity run? That one would be from 703. That liquidity run right here is 749, 750. I don't think it quite made it that time. Had to come down, stop some people out, and then go. But at least 20 points. Maybe just filling in that fair value gap if we were to enter here. I don't know. We probably couldn't get an entry here because I put my entry one tick above that candle. I would have entered here. Stop would go down below here. And then the aim point would be at least these highs. So in that situation, that's about a 50-point win. That's what I'm wanting to do. I made the other video. I accidentally left the big portion in, so I deleted it. And now this is exactly what I'm looking for. I did back test 6 days so far. We've had 2 failures and 13 wins. That's a pretty good win ratio.